Well, I'm going to make a video of you, okay? And what I want you to do, let's show Grandpa our new Christmas thing. Turn on the train. Will you lay there and drive it, make it go faster and slower, like you were? No, lay down. Lay down on your belly like you were. And drive it. Mm-hmm. You want it to go a little faster?
Yeah.
Who's driving that train?
Mama?
And who's your favorite character in that train now? Do you like Cookie Monster now? Is it because he eats cookies?
Huh? And I want to eat cookies, please.
We can do that shortly after we do trains, okay?
Okay.
You know whose train that is? It's Victoria's. Can you look in the camera and say, "Thank you, Grandpa, for my train"?
Thank you, Grandpa, for my train.
You have fun with your train? You couldn't wait to set it up this year, huh? Make you happy?
There.